Ask Tom on Home Show.
Ken from Humble has a question about window pane.
Oh, Tom, his 15-year-old double pane aluminum windows is what he's talking about. Ken writes, one window will not stay up. I can see there's an aluminum clip on each side, and they're out of place compared to the working windows. The company we purchased it from is long gone, so I'm wondering, what do we do to get this thing fixed? What say you?
There's no exact answer. Those are your sash springs. And yeah, when they break and you don't have the window company to go back to, it depends what they used. Maybe you can't fix them at all. But before you scream uncle, I want you to fight back a little bit. I want you to make a call to Glass Doctor. That is one of our sponsors who they fix window panes, which is the glass, all the time. But they also are asked these questions all the time. And if anybody knows someone who can come out and fix those, or they might even have that service too. I don't ask about every little thing they do, but they deal with those windows all the time. And so as I always answer these questions, I answer them as if it was my question for my house. And if I had that question to answer or to ask right now, and I don't know where to get them right offhand because I haven't had an aluminum window in my life in 20 years, 22 years, but I would call them and say, hey guys, I got this problem. Can you help me? And they would probably, and I'm feeling pretty confident, lead you in the right direction. So call Glass Doctor. You can find them at our website. And that would be the place to go. And I hope, and there's a good chance, you'll be able to find either someone who can fix them or there might be replacements. But this is a problem with a lot of the old aluminum windows. The companies came and went so much that sometimes you can't get the parts, and that's happened to me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all of our Home Show pros, the people that Tom's already vetted, who he knows he trusts that can do the job for you. You'll find them right there on our homepage. Just scroll down a wee bit. You'll find them all listed right there. There's Glass Doctor right there. And if you're not sure about the name of the company, but you know what you need help, click on Find a Pro. And we have thoughtfully coordinated these by category. So you surely know what category you need help in. And that's at HomeShowRadio.com. We have them all there. Same place you can get questions and answers. Same place you'll find this button, the blue Ask Tom button. Click on that bad boy. It'll take you here. Woo, it's an adventure. We're taking you all over the place. Go there and you can either click on the form, fill it out, send in your question with a picture, and we will post a new one of Tom's answers every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and of course our Facebook page.